Hi guys, and welcome to the channel. Join me as I walk around Hisarano, Olodines, Fethiye and anywhere else I can find in Turkey that'll have me. Anyhow, please like, subscribe and share. Thanks a lot guys. Alan's here, yeah. Dressed up, yeah.
Down there, could they? Because obviously there's...
No, that's right. We're in Memories for the final act of the season. They're closed tonight and it's Halloween party and there's all sorts of things going on. Come to Moments for food. Oh, sorry, Memories. If it goes blank, it's off. As long as there's a red light flashing. It's looking like I'm going up on stage. Lamb to the slaughter time. I'm going up on stage, yeah. Not funny.
Lovely, we've got all of our contestants. Nice. So, come on up.
Let's do this then.
Come on.
Here we go.
The mummy, okay?
I'm the rapper.
I'm going to hand you some toilet rolls.
Who's rapping? Who's rapping?
So, who's the rapper, who's the mummy?
I'm going to be the rapper in toilet rolls.
You're the rapper. He's the mummy, you're the rapper, okay. Who's the rapper, who's the mummy?
Come on, you make a decision.
I'll be the mummy.
I mean, you've got a wholesale kind of role, so you've got a lot of coverage
We
here.
need a bigger role.
You need a bigger role. I'm sure you do, man. Okay.
What the hell
Who's
is
the
going
rapper,
on,
who's
guys?
the mummy?
Right, I'm going to have to
You're
put this
the
down,
rapper?
guys.
So,
Don't move.
well, I think we have an obvious winner personally, but we'll see what's happening. Come. What have you been doing?
She wore a dress, that's a problem.
She wore a dress, that's a problem.
What the hell?
No. One more time, make some noise for Neil and Ian. How
So we
fabulous.
won a
that
boat
was
trip
a bit of fun.
on Hannibal boat trip, which is a good boat trip to be fair.
So,
How are we doing? All right? You okay? You okay?
Hello, TikTok.
So, what I'm going to do, I'm going to let DJ
Hello, TikTok. The best toilet roll man in town.
Ladies and gentlemen, we've got a fabulous night of entertainment. You have literally got me, you've got the Sensations, the Supremas, the Temptations, you've got the fire show, you've even got the Ethiopian circus show. Everything's going on tonight. So,
Eyes in the eyes again. I think I feel alive again. Going so. Sun she glows. Let the matters and eyes eyes in the eyes.
Your face. Everybody, let me see the smiles around. Smile, 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 smile. Are you happy with this? Are you all having a good time? La 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 la.
Looking for someone, I can't see them.
La la la. Go on, everybody, sing with me.
Family, you know what? Yes, I found that. Down there. Yep.
if you think this lovely lady should go through the next round, make some noise. You're definitely safe. If you think Barry from Turkey should go through the next round, make some noise. Yeah! Well, I think we know who we're losing tonight. I'm so sorry, my darling. I'm sorry, Birkenhead. Off your pop. There you go. Your chicken wasn't chicken enough tonight. Never mind. So, you're through the next round. So, we've got another round of challenges. So, we're still thinking chicken. This time, we are going to go for a chicken laying an egg. So, I need a very constipated chicken laying a very big egg. Lay me an egg. What? Why
are you laughing?
Well done,
Barish
you.
is
Well done, you. Barish, come on, my darling.
Come on, Barry from Wales.
You've seen what they're doing,
Sorry,
so
babe.
do the same for me, okay? Go.
Good.
Is that it? Is that all you got?
Okay. We'll pretend it's lost in translation. Okay. So, we're going to lose a player now, ladies and gentlemen, so I need you to cheer for your favourites. If you think this lovely lady should go through the next round, make some noise. If you think this lovely lady should go through the next round, make some noise. If you think Barry should go through the next round, make some noise.
Yeah!
Oh, I'm so sorry, Barish. You're going home. Well, you are home. You're in Turkey. Make some noise for Barish, ladies and gentlemen. Oh, he tried. Okay, you're... No, you're not doing scrambled eggs, love. You're gonna make an egg. How can you make an egg? How does a chicken make an egg? You've got it now. You've got it now. Sorry, Bonnie Tyler. You've got it now. Okay. So, just to be...
Go on, Harold. 11 o'clock at night. Harold, it's bedtime now. Harold, bedtime now. Bedtime now. Come on. Come on. It's bedtime, boys. Come on.
Are you okay? Can't play football?
No. I'm too old for football, buddy. Are you okay?
Yes, you?
It's bedtime now. Go bed. Come
No
on.
bed.
No bed.
I'm work.
You're working? Okay.
Yes.
11 o'clock at night. Harold's still working.
Finish the season.
Good man. See you soon.
Bye-bye.
Görüşürüz. Kendine iyi bak.
Sen de.
The boys look working. I'm working. Bedtime now, Harold. No, I'm working. I'm working. How old is he? He's 11, isn't he, Zaid?
Yeah.
10 or 11 he is.
He's such a good lad, though.
Such a good boy. Such a good boy. Love him. Anyhow, we're in Turkey. Obviously, we have just finished with memories. We've had to come home early. Sadie's not been too good, to be honest. The party's still going on up there, but what a night. Amazing. I think it's about 11 o'clock time. Yeah, 11 o'clock time. We're heading back to the hotel. We'll have a cup of tea and go to bed. Stay with us. What a beautiful day. What a beautiful day. Literally just got up, guys. Must be about 9:30. Got up, had a quick shower. She's still sleeping, so I thought, you know what, I'll go for a walk. You don't get many beautiful days where it started really hot this morning already. I'm in the shade at the moment, but walking up my normal path. Noticed that early, the bread's still there. Want some bread, anybody? But what a cracking night at Memories. We did leave a little bit early because Sadie's obviously just coming off the back of COVID. She's very tired. But what an amazing night. Them boys have spent some money putting that night on. Moments and memories. Fantastic. Absolutely fantastic. Good morning, Del Boy.
Good morning. How are you doing?
I'm very good, thank you. I thought I'd go for a little walk this morning. Talk to you lot. Traders just getting themselves set up there for the day. Zaza lot. Bought some lovely trousers off him. A bit similar to what he's wearing actually. I had a
Morning, my friend.
Merhaba.
How are you?
Very good.
Good.
You well?
Very much.
I thought you started at 6 o'clock, Zaza.
I was here 6 o'clock.
I bet you were. In your dreams you were. Whilst you were snoring, you was here at 6 o'clock, yeah? Yeah, he's been here since 6. 6 o'clock he was here. Where you been? He only knows one 6 o'clock and that's PM. Look at that sun coming off the top of the mountain. Gorgeous, isn't it? That's the start we want, isn't it, bud? Beautiful. Look at that, guys. That's amazing.
Hello. What you doing? Hey, big boy. No, stay there. You're gonna follow me, look. Look. Who are you following me for? Huh? What do you want? I've got nothing for you, buddy. I've nothing. Fucker's following me now, look. I love the street dogs. Stay. Stay there. He's like, fuck you, I'll follow you if I want to follow you. Kebab is open for breakfast. Still following me. Still shit, isn't he? So nice at this time in the morning, guys. Even if you're not a morning person, so good. Good morning, how are you?
Okay.
Amazing.
Very good.
What a beautiful day. I'll tell you what I have noticed. There's a lot of flies about today. I think maybe the temperature is warming up. Wow, fly time. Got my gate back on. My eyes are a little bit blurry this morning. I think maybe I had a lot of vodka last night. Guys, I'm out for my early morning walk and I bumped into this young man. You'll recognise him from the Fetier candles. I'll insert his group again at the bottom, but he just told me now he's now shipping to the UK. So I'm not going to talk money, but what I'm going to say to you is if you go to his Facebook site, send him a message, pick the candles that you want and the bits and bobs that you want, you know, the tape, the coasters and that, he can ship to the UK, and I'm sure he'll contact you and give you wall clocks as well. Okay, and he'll give you a price on it per item or per kilogram or whatever. He'll sort it, but I just thought it was important that I said this to you guys now while we're here. Good luck with that. That'd be good.
Thank you.
What the hell? I'm gonna get fat, ain't I? Oh my god. Look at that. Sadie. Sadie. Look at that cake. Look at that there, lemon tart.
That's not big enough.
Look at these pumpkin, look at that one for fitter. Oh, and they do the strawberry, the magnolia thingy in the jar as well. Look at that. Sadie, look at this Lotus Eclair. That looks amazing. I want to eat them all. So we are down the bottom of the strip in Wildest. I'll show you where we are. We are at Bacon Moor in Wildest with Layla, Sadie and Kirsty is here, and we're having cakes. I've just showed you what cakes there are. I'm not actually having a cake. Sadie's having a Lotus Eclair to take away, a lemon tart to eat. She's having a strawberry something. God knows. Anyhow, they look delicious, so I'll let you know how they feel.
Milkshake. There you go.
Look at that. Look how busy. Air Games time. Look how busy it is, guys. Layla, you going up there in the paraglider? Why not? You don't want to go? We'll send Effie instead, yeah? Effie, you going up with the paraglider, okay? Oh. He said okay.
Did you hear that?
Yeah.
Say again?
Like and subscribe. Look at this lot. Wow. My boat's in the harbour, just over there. The boys will come and get me later.
How did you get down here?
Layla, where are you going? I pitched the lift off Kirsty's cabs.
You went on the back of the pod?
No, they get a car. I nicked the car. How busy is this place?
Where we go?
Don't know. I think you just sit around anywhere, don't you? I don't know. Huh? Why? Oh, 2 paragliders got tangled at the top. Look, Sadie, Richard and Kim there. Richard's waving. See him? There, look.
That's just the tree you're waving at.
Waving at the tree?
Nice place, isn't it? Oh, Layla.
Tom who? Oh, right. Oh, where we go? Right guys, so I needed some towels for the air games. So I met him at the Idle shop.
Yes, Lidl shop.
Idle one, no?
Yeah, Lidl.
And there was a massive queue. And he dragged me over to this shop, took the cash, away we go. Beat the queues, everything. So if you want some towels, this supermarket here, that young man there, he sorted me out. All right, buddy, you okay? Now we're going back down the beach. Good morning, or afternoon as it may be. Back down the beach, got me towels. Go and sit on the beach and wait for the jets to come across at 2 o'clock, which is any minute now, so hopefully I'll make it there in time. I can hear them. Here they are. What up? Here they come. Here they come. They're coming straight at me, Sadie, now. See them straight in front there. See them? Keep looking about 10 foot above the sea. Straight in front. Just keep pointing your phone in that. No, that way a bit. You recording? Coming straight at me now. See them? Here they come. Effie, there, look, there. Here, look above, look. I think they're over here. Yeah, of course we do. Coming this way, Sage.
Which way? Over here.
Yeah, they're here, above your head. Effie, let me ask you some questions on YouTube. Come on. Come on here. Effie, how old are you?
16.
16? Are you really 16?
Like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe and you're 16. I don't think you are 16, are you? I think you're fibbing to me. Have you been in the sea today?
Huh?
Did you see any fighter pilots? Any planes? No, none at all.
I didn't see them in there.
You didn't see them at all? They weren't here?
Planes in the sky?
No, none at all.
Did?
What is it?
Really? Where have you been?
Planes flying above our heads.
Yeah, it was like that when I didn't see the plane was there.
Oh, we didn't see them when they're further away.
Oh, okay then. Are they gone, Effie, now?
They're finished.
Yeah, okay then. What happened? What? How the hell did you fall? Really? Yeah. I didn't see. I was too busy looking at the crowds.
I literally saw
So many people in there.
Well, I saved myself by jumping.
I've never seen so many people on Holiday Beach before.
They just stayed there with their helmet. It's in the pub. Was that description? And they keep going well. Well, what a life, sit in the pub all day.
That's what I mean. When the
I can't sit in the sunshine, you know I can't, it's not.
Look how busy Holiday is for the air games. Absolutely bonkers, but really good. Gonna go up and see the boys at Watchfinder now, say hello, and then we'll get a Kirsty cab back to. So it is Sunday evening and we've come to Best Kebab for Sunday roast. Not really, own chicken. But the town is very, very quiet now. The air games are on in Holiday. There's a big party on down there tonight. So everywhere is very quiet. Very, very quiet. So it's going to be quiet. Right, so my taxi's just shown up. A few things. Can I see your driving licence and your insurance first? And you're on the phone while you're driving, but okay, no problem, let's go. We're off to the bank, me and George are going to get me a bank account. So the reason we come to Turkey in October is to grab all the bargains. The traders normally drop their prices down. We have come to Top Gear. We're in the... Why is it... Anyhow, my camera stopped then, sorry guys. So we're in Top Gear and I've got Kirsty running around like a lunatic to try and get me suitcase full of stuff. I've been and bought the suitcase. I think the suitcase was like 35-40 quid from next door. And we're filling this suitcase up now. We've got all this lot here, which is all for my kids. One side of it's full. We're going to try and... We'll get another 100 quid's worth of clobber in that side. But as you can see, we've got Liverpool shirts, Forest shirts. We've got tracksuits for Ryan, jackets. We've got socks. We've got T-shirts, Formula 1 shirts. We've got more tracksuits. We've got Spider tracksuits. Obviously, when you come, you're looking at things like this, look, 4 for 20 quid or 4 for 25. I am paying by card, I know the penalties, but it's because I haven't got 500 quid in my pocket or whatever, 400 quid in my pocket. And if I draw it, I'd have to draw it in lira and it'd be like 10,000 lira or whatever, 20,000 lira. Anyhow, so we're in top gear, we're filling the suitcase up, and this is what we do for Christmas. So this video, kids, this is not for you, it's a mirage.
You have to post it in January.
I'll post it in January. Gonna sit.
You want to drive it?
You driving, Layla? Yeah.
She can do.
We're on camera, look. Say like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe.
Shopping at Top Gear and free delivery back to the hotel with my suitcase, look. Here we go.
With the driver.
Merhaba.
Are you driving?
Woman driver.
Layla driver.
Layla's driving.
What?
Oh my God, Layla's driving. Look at her go. Go on, Layla. Get off, Mum, get off.
I know.
You are actually driving, aren't you, Layla? Is it good? You know where you're going? He's actually driving.
You did this way before.
Layla, look at the road, mate. Not me. Right, guys, yeah, so been shopping with Kirsty at Top Gear. Done an end of season sale deal. She's looked after me. I got some free socks out of her because that's what you're meant to do, apparently, get free socks. And here we go. Let's go back to the hotel and surprise Sadie that I've spent all her money. Love it.
Did you see Checkers car?
Yeah. Merhaba. Me and my pink suitcase. In Attica bar with Vazy, he's playing pool. He ain't very good, guys, so if he challenges you to a game, just play him because he's shit. I think if you bet with him, you'll win because he's shit. He says he's good, but
at the moment, if you bet with me,
he's bad. He's bad, guys. We're in Golden Watt, guys, having a little meal. Very quiet in town tonight, very quiet. I've had beef with noodles. No, what have I had?
Mushrooms.
Beef with mushrooms, some chips, chicken fried rice. Sadie's had beef with mushrooms, some beef noodles, and that's it. And that's where we're at. She's still ill, but we're out. Thanks for watching, guys. Hit that notification bell to catch me on my next one.